What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off the vlog now. Pretty much Dana showed up with his homie that trailered the car. They did come down early this morning. Right now we've just been chopping it up for a couple of hours. Meanwhile we waited for Gus and everything. So right now we're gonna be grilling, but let me go ahead and show you guys a couple of cars that showed up. You know, I got my little brother here along with this girl, and pretty much it's just like a little show meet inside of the house. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So as you guys can see, we got Dana in the house now, and this is the beautiful all-wheel drive, fully built K-swap sedan. And it's mad sleeper. Anybody that says that he needs to color match the bumpers, sorry, here's bust your bubble, but this car needs to stay the way it is. You know, DX model with the black bumpers. From what I was told, is he finished this up last night and basically just put it on the trailer, and they left 12:30 last night, or 12:30 midnight, and they arrived here around 9 o'clock this morning. They did pretty much stop on the way and take some trips because they didn't want to come here super early, but I told them my house is always open no matter what time it is. But as you guys can see, man, this car came out freaking amazing, especially with that wrap. And don't forget, guys, the fiberglass hood. Yes, I know some people may say, you know, the hood needs a little bit of work. It does, but it is fiberglass, which is meant to be body worked. So at least I'm happy that he made it down to SoCal, and now we're gonna be heading to the Honda meet tomorrow morning after we pretty much chop it up, have a little meet. And then we also got Gus over here, Automotive Anatomy. He actually had a small little incident this morning, which I don't want to get into it, but he made it here safe, thank God. And at least now we can all chop it up, hang out, and have some fun, and just get to know each other a little bit more on a, you know, homie level. But he is rocking some rebarreled M7s. I believe there are 17 by 8, and I gotta say, love the way it looks on the car. Then as you guys can see, pretty much everybody's just in the garage now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, finish the barbecue. I'm gonna record a little bit, put down a little time lapse of everybody just chilling, and then we'll go ahead and pick it up once we do a little bit more of talk through with Gus and Dana.
What do you say?
You got an Asian little, my daughter calls her Asian.
She help her.
No, she looks, they say.
Oh, I was like, what? When he said Asian, what the fuck is that about Asian? You know about here is Asian. Oh, can we try that? Oh no, I'm fine. I'm fine. Sorry.
Put it in the room.
Eventually, I think we'll repowder coat the wheel. I was gonna go to HMO. I was telling him, I was like, didn't you stop by HMO in Burbank real quick? Because he has a pair of CTR wheels for $300. I don't mind spares. I would like to take spares. And they're white too, so I can kind of get an idea how white looks. But because I contemplate when I do,
I like it like this.
When I do the paint match bumpers, I think the white one looks.
Wants it?
Give me nightmares right now, bro.
He wants
It's
it?
the reason why I quit like 10 years ago.
Mix it with some tea, bro.
Oh,
Bomb.
I want to make it to the bed tonight, bro.
You will, bro. It's just a shot. It's just a glass. You just chill.
Drop me off at Figueroa Street.
Should I be sleeping in my truck?
Truck life.
Don't hit my tent. Hey, where the hot dog ones over there, right? Entrale. You guys can start eating now, bro. You guys yourselves at home.
I'll dig in.
Oh, he's gonna dig in, all right.
No, you don't feel shy when you get it. Come on.
Burgers right here. Cheese and hot dogs and everything's up there. Though.
Here, senor.
Since you're the first one to take a bite, you say grace.
Cool. Take a shot and then I'll say great.
There you go, bro.
Yeah, no.
When Dana pulls up to make everybody start working, look at everybody start working. Tell me this guy isn't the king of making motherfuckers work. Hey Dana, where'd you find out so many workers at, bro?
The local Home Depot. They know where they came from. He made us all.
Look at this. Shows up, bro, and already makes it a car meet.
He's the one that does the measurements.
Look, mine, my little brothers, my Domani back there, my brother's girlfriend. Man, hopefully you guys make it out to a pop-up meet tonight. Real race car, bro. He's gonna scare some people right now.
No. Do it.
Watch out, you guys.
It's a Honda. Oh, I love that.
That twin disc, baby. For the vlog. Alright guys, so Dana's gonna help me right now. We're gonna go ahead and put this K24 head on, not the head, the rocker assembly, the cams, and we're gonna go ahead and swap out the cam gear to my 50/50, so I thought we can rock that one instead of that. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and start working on this. Meanwhile, Dana and everybody else here washes the cars and gets it prepped for the Honda meet tomorrow. So hopefully everything gets situated today so we can have a smooth sailing for all this whole thing going on.
Hey, that shit look clean, fool. Damn, he gave you sensors too?
This motherfucker. Si, senor.
Damn, he even zip tied all this shit for you? You wanna make sure you don't lose any of the pins, you feel me?
I know, bro. That's why look at it. Already flopping out here.
At least you got extras. I lost mine. It spent me a couple of fucking days to find it. Still couldn't find it.
This is fucking missing.
And then I went to the junkyard and, you know what I'm saying?
What
You
else?
gotta pry it.
Pry it, right?
Mm.
Because that one's out. Those two are out.
Oh yeah, it's a brand new VTEX one too. I give it to you for free. Yeah, just gotta pry it. There you go. Look at you.
Motherfucker.
That's the pry.
Fucking make sure that it all stays together. Wait, so this head's coming off and that head's going up?
No, I'm just taking the rocker, the cam holders.
Yeah, because my rockers are all fucked
Oh,
up.
you got that fancy shit.
So the guy that I got the motor from, I never checked it, but for what I got the deal for at least.
Blueberry's old cylinder head. Look at
You got my head. It's all pitted, it's all fucked up.
Cams is pitted. Look at his rollers are pitted. Not only that, look at his freaking LMAs, dude. They're pitted.
Oh shit. Cool. If you want hooked up, then we'll go to hang out, whatever.
Well, that's a ticket anyway.
Yeah, see how they're all fucked up? Yeah. So it's just lack of maintenance. The pistons were bad, bro. Like you can see
Somebody
that
fucking over tightened shit out of that.
So it was just like cake. The piston was just fucking cake of like just corrosion. Like not corrosion, but what's it called? The contamination of it just sitting moisture, fucking not burning the oil right. It was just fucked up. So unfortunately, I can't build a motor. So
Yeah.
I just clean the shit out of the pistons, make sure the sleeves are still good. So it still has good cross hatchings and stuff in it. So should be fine.
Just gonna send it.
So we're gonna send it and see.
Stock motor.
Big difference.
Yeah, so now at least it'll get me up and going to where I can at least get a little bit of power on it. And once I get my car back here, then at least I can just drive it. Meanwhile, I'll build another motor.
With the
On the
setup
side.
here, easily 400. Easily 400. If you want to push it a little more, you probably make more. I make 450 on the stock motor. Safe
okay.
on pump gas. Pump 91. Some people think E85 is pump just because you can get it pump. That's ethanol.
So stupid.
That's ethanol.
People do think like that. That's funny.
Florida people are.
So here's the head that Dana donated. He's, as you can tell, way better difference. Cams well taken care of. So the only thing we're gonna go ahead and do is swap out the cam still to the 50 degree from this one. But this is the old head, as you guys can, the old LMAs, rockers, and shit like that. So pretty much this is what is done along with these. So these are really worn out, as you can see.
Bro, if I put a tech deck on here, I can probably skate on that thing, bro. That's how caved in it is.
I'll be back.
Cool. So we're gonna swap all this shit over from the other one and get this motor running soon, at least. Even though he forgot the fucking guides. So
I only had 30 minutes time frame since he texted me, I'm on my way to your house. I said, okay, let me see. You know, it's kind of.
And I told him yesterday when he met, remember? I'm like, hey bro, don't forget the head and all that. I'm like, don't forget, nah bro, I got it right here next to me, don't worry. And look what happened.
I mean, technically I did. I just didn't have.
No, I think you made up for it because of the banner. So since the banner didn't make it to you for so long, you know, that's why.
Hey,
but
before I forget, bro. Before I forget. I won't distort your video.
no, you can do whatever the fuck you want.
That will get on views. That's what he means.
You remember that?
Are you sure you know what the fuck you're doing, Doug?
There you go. No,
Do you even know the specification for the
It's already gonna get views.
Okay.
On my video.
You can watch my video, Doug.
Right?
Let me get that click so you can get the torque specs down. You don't have to do the research. Just gotta research my video, only my video. All the specifications on there.
Bro, why you gotta keep putting me on blast for?
I'm looking out for you, man.
Just because I keep leaving my phone, my fucking camera on.
Next, bro. Come on, man. I know this.
Man, he's a professional when it comes down to K series, and he's a professional with a Canon. Look at this shit.
Brian got the loafers, she got the flip flops.
I got the hoochie daddy slippers, bro. You got the chanquitas.
Hey, I'm not nervous. Not Mexican enough.
Shout out to Dana for the rocker assembly and cams. Appreciate it, bro.
Shout out to Blueberry for blowing up on me to give you that.
Or was it actually Blueberry, or was it this one?
No, it was the Blueberry. That's
This is
the
one
K20,
of
that's the RBP head.
Thank you again, bro.
Yes, sir. Anything I can do to help, especially
All right, guys. So we are washed up now. Got all the cars ready, detailed, cleaned up. We're gonna be doing a pop-up meet with Dana here in Moreno Valley. So pretty much that's all we're waiting for. We're gonna load it up and head over to the meet. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So pretty much as you guys seen on the last clip, we took a little cruise down a couple of blocks, you know, maybe 10 minutes away from my house. We ended up deciding to put a pop-up meet, and we were just waiting to see if anybody would pop up. Unfortunately, it was a last-minute thing, and it was pretty late by the time we did the pop-up meet. By the time we posted it, it was around 7:30 we posted it, 8:30 we posted it, and we were posting it for 9 o'clock meet. And we already knew we weren't gonna get that much people, but we just wanted to sit there and try to vibe out with some people, since Dana did come down from NorCal, and basically this is his time to be in SoCal, so he just wanted to vibe out and have some fun. So as you guys seen, also the other homie pulled up, Bryant, in his R33 Skyline GTR, and I gotta say, man, that shit boogies. As you guys can see, it puts the power down, and yeah, it makes me want to get a GTR hopefully soon. But the way my pockets are rolling with this build, I could have probably bought one already. But yeah, hopefully we can make some more power like him once we can get this motor fully assembled and ready to rock and roll. Huge shout out again to Dana for coming through with the parts that I needed to be able to get this motor back up to par, and that way we can be set pretty much. Unfortunately, he did forget the timing chain that needed to be here, and also the guides, but he said he was going to go ahead and send that, and if not, I'll just go ahead and order it from Honda. That way I can just get it over with, and that way I can have it. But I also ended up switching out the gear because mine is a 50-degree, and the one that came on this TSX parts was actually a 25-degree. So we swapped it up so that way we can have a little bit more adjustment to it when it's time to get all that done. But now the head is pretty much complete. I still have the zip ties on here just to hold everything, but we'll go ahead and take that off later on when it's time to do the valve lash and everything else. But again, huge shout out to Dana for coming through and hooking me up with these parts, man. I really appreciate it, and helping me get this motor a little bit one step forward. But pretty much, guys, that is going to be the end of this video. We chopped it up a little bit, had a small barbecue, and basically chopped it up with Gus, Dana, his homie, and some other homies of mine, and my little brother and my family. And that's all it was supposed to be, since we were just trying to plan this ahead of time, and we can just chill and vibe out. But hopefully you guys enjoy the little content that I did provide here. And if you guys did, guys, please hit that like button, smash the comment section of what you guys look forward to in the future. And tomorrow we are going to be heading to the Honda meet, so stay tuned for that on the next video, or the next couple of videos. I'm not sure what's all going to pop up, because a lot of things pretty much got mixed up with a lot of videos, guys, and I'm just saying that ahead of time. But hopefully you guys stay tuned for the next videos that come up, and you guys rock with me. But yeah, with that being said, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.